Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm great. Actually,
Okay.
sir, I'm looking for phone. I want to buy one phone like
Okay.
mid range like that.
Okay. In our store we have a lot of phone. Please tell me about your budget, then I can show you properly.
Actually, my budget is sir 25,000 taka.
Oh, 25,000 K. It's very excellent budget. I can show you a lot of phone with around this budget. Here is our phone. There are a lot of phone. Please take it fast. Maybe you can choose it. Also, it's provide you with your requirement also.
Okay, sir. Actually, I need good smartphone with battery backup as well as gamer phone like that.
Okay.
Do you have this kind of?
It also provide battery option are in. We have multiple option, and if you want to buy, if you want to pay with online, you can pay. Also, if you want, that is your choice. The both option are available in this store.
Okay, sir. I pay card with
Okay, you
card.
prefer card.
Well,
Okay,
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 sir.
let's deal.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you, and I'm very honored to buying my phone. And I hope you will come here again and see you soon. Sir, this is your product. Please take it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And see you again. I hope you will be get better experience when you use it.
Next year,
in
sir.
our store.
Actually, you're a very kind person. Next
Okay.
year, inshallah, I will
Thank you
come.
for appreciating
I will
me.
come again very
Yes,
soon.
sir. Thank you.
Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.